Get down, get down. Okay, Mike, so the first thing you need to know is to get the treat in hand and pinch it like so that your dog can nibble on it all the time. Bernie here is a pup, but he doesn't care too much about food, which is extremely rare. Come here, bud. And he doesn't know down yet, so it should be a pretty good example. So I hold it so he can like lick it and get a little bit of a taste the whole time. Sit. So you get him in to sit, and then you put treat right on his nose, let him just nibble on it, and bring his nose straight down. If I lose his nose, I'm gonna stop every time. I'm gonna keep that treat in his mouth or on his nose the whole time. And you go straight down to the floor. Once you get his nose on the floor, you can reward here. If your dog needs it, yes, good boy. And then as soon as he hits the ground, I'm gonna give him a jackpot. Make sure he gets lots of reward for that. And then we're gonna practice again. Come here, Bernie. Come here. Come on, lazy. Bernie, come on. This is a lazy puppy. Sit. So right on his nose. If you lose the nose, you're not going to teach him anything. You're going to lose the dog. So straight down. And then if you hit the ground and he's still, and notice he's still nibbling, and he's still not getting it, then you can stretch him out a little bit. So he's just relaxing into it, but some dogs, you'll get to the ground there, and then you have to slowly pull it out, and they'll kind of just like slide into it down. So we'll do one more, and I'll show you one other thing in case your dog is still struggling. So again, sit first, then straight down to the ground. If I lose his nose, I go right back to it. And then sometimes they'll pause, like right there, you're stretching them out, and they'll just not want to get the elbows down. You can just put a finger right between the shoulder blades and just kind of push a little bit. Sometimes the dogs will kind of just slide down into that. So one more example, because as I've been talking, I've been doing a bad job of marking the exact moment. This thing is greasy. Which is good. So that means they will like it. Come here, bud. Alright, so remember to say yes or good boy as soon as his elbows hit the ground. So we got him here, because that lets him know. Think of like the moment that he gets it as like a snapshot in his mind. He thinks of it as like a picture of what gets the treat. So like here he's a little confused, like why is he not releasing the treat? Stretch it out a little bit. Yes, good boy. And gets his reward. So I said yes. In his mind, he goes, boom, yes, and the treat was released right at that moment. And he starts to see like exactly what the winning picture looks like. And I would probably do a couple more sessions like this before I start saying down, so that he's kind of already got it. And then we start adding the command in. And there you go.